Hey everybody, this is Brey's Ways. How's everybody doing? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make ornaments out of fake lemons and limes, and you can use any fruits out there that are, faux fruits to decorate a tree with, or some branches, or whatever you may want to use the ornaments for. I have had lemon ornaments for the past, I think, 2 years, and I have them right here. Well, these are just some of them. I have a whole bunch of them, but these are some. And I basically just wanted to touch base on how to make them. It's super easy. All you need, guys, are these little eyelet hooks that you find in craft stores or in your art aisles or in your picture frame aisles. And I usually use them for the backs of my paintings when I'm going to wire them to hang up. And they come in different little shapes. Some of them are kind of triangular at the top. Most of them are round. They come in gold or silver. And since these right here in particular are not some of my faves, because they are kind of hard to put in the back of canvases because they're a little thicker than what I'm used to, I decided that I was going to give them a good use by putting them on my faux fruits. So here's one of the lemons that I have made, and you can use any shape of lemons or any kind of citrus that you may have. My son actually got me some limes, guys. I know, he got me some limes, and I have them in different sizes. And I'm just super pumped up about that because I had been wanting limes for a while. And he comes to visit me and he surprised me with some. So I'm super happy about that. So all you got to do is you take your faux lemon or lime or whatever fruit you want. And I usually stick them at the top. I try to find the top part of the fruit, not the bottom, but the top. Now you can put them in any direction you want. You can lay them down, you can have them facing up and down or at an angle. It doesn't matter. Wherever you want to put your hook on is fine. I just prefer to do it from the very top, and all you got to do really is just stab the hook into the fruit, and that's about it. Now you can reinforce them if you want to by putting a little dab of super glue and then sticking it in. But I just prefer just sticking them in there so that I don't have like little globs of glue showing or anything like that. For the most part, it's that simple. You just take your fruits and you just stick it in there, and they hold, pretty well. And so I thought maybe I would do this today. I'm still working, guys, on what I've been wanting to show and do and all that, and I keep getting ideas that I want to do for it, and I don't always have enough time in the day, to work on it, so it has to be stretched out for the most part, but that's okay. I'll get it done eventually, and then y'all will be able to see what I've been up to, but I think y'all will like it. I mean, you might think it's a little funny. You might think it's a little strange, or you might think it's just pretty creative. I don't know. I mean, it'll be all up to you guys whenever y'all get to see it. I, for one, am pumped up about it. I think it's going to look really nice. My husband likes it so far, and my son does too. So I think I'm on the right track, in keeping with the idea that my husband actually gave me. So I got to give the man his credit, right? But he's as much involved in all of this stuff as I am, which is super awesome for me, because who doesn't want a husband that backs her up, right? That's right. Well, I'm lucky. I'm lucky to have a man like that. So I have been thinking of ways of how to redecorate the dining room, how to do things differently a little bit, how to jazz things up. I'm still crazy about Alice in Wonderland, guys. Don't get me wrong. I will touch base on that once again and time again, because I just love Alice in Wonderland. But I wanted to explore other ideas, and I think that I've got already a good amount of stuff that I've done, but you can always do more. And it's not even really costing me much at all. I mean, these are things that I've had or that I'm still getting because I'm going to be needing them later on for other projects. So it doesn't really matter. I'm not spending a fortune, you know. And for us, you know, money is tight. You know, it's tight. We have our financial stuff to worry about and things, you know, but for the most part we do pretty good. See, I already got the little tiny little lemons already done. I think that's all the little ones. I had just put these away because I had found them in another container, and I think I have another container up in the kitchen, if I'm right. That might, see, there's a little stray one that might need a little hook. But yes, I will be decorating my tree later on with my citrus fruits, you know, for another theme, and go from there. I'm really into decorating, so to me it's something fun and easy to do. And if I had been able to show off and showcase all the ideas that I have done through the years of my decorating, my gosh. Yeah, I've done a lot. So now, not only do I have all of the limones, here we call them limones. I'm not sure if in Mexico they call limes limones, which I can understand why, but I was raised on calling lemons limones and the limes limas. So I don't know if in Mexico it's the other way around, or I don't know. But in any case, I've got them already. And I had also purchased a while back the fake lemon, orange, and lime slices, of which I've already done some stuff with. So yeah, and these are beautiful. I really like them. They're a good, I guess they're made out of, I want to say plastic, because they feel like plastic. But they weren't that expensive. I think I might have gotten them maybe for $15 or something like that on Amazon. So yeah. And right now, just so that I can use them for decorative purposes, I have all my little slices in this beautiful antique candle holder. It actually comes apart, guys, and it's a beautiful purple. We got this when Uvalde was having I think it was during the 100-mile yard sale thing that they used to have back in the day, and I bought it off of a vendor that was selling antiques. And I thought this was just a very unusual, beautiful glass piece, so I had to get it. And it wasn't even that expensive. I think I paid like $12, I think, for it, or $8 or $12. I can't remember. But I had never seen anything so pretty, and so I just had to have that. But yeah, and then this picture was my grandmother's. So, you know, it's that very popular pattern. I don't know what it's called. I always want to call it a sunburst because that's what it reminds me of, a sunburst. But and this looks like the sun, you know, but I don't know what it is. But I have had this picture for a good while. So I hope you guys are doing well. I hope that all of y'all are staying cool, because in our part of Texas it is hot, extremely hot. It's been 107, guys, and that's not, you know, the heat index. So yeah, we've been staying inside, staying as cool as possible. We haven't even gone shopping. I've been postponing it because of that. I mean, we just don't need to have a blowout or something on the highway and get stranded, and then, you know, we don't have, you know, it just wouldn't be good, you know. So we're gonna hold out until later in the week to see if the weather gets any better or any cooler. And once it does, we're just gonna go out there and get everything that we need all at once. And then, you know, I can be satisfied that I got that done. So I hope you guys will stick with me. I still got other little videos I might throw at you while I'm working on my other project. And I hope that y'all are, if y'all are new to the channel, that y'all will subscribe. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that little bell so that you'll know when my next videos are coming up. And to all you wonderful members out there, my YouTubers, my friends, I hope that y'all continue to stay, creative and keep on watching out for me and everything. I truly appreciate you guys. You have no idea. And I do my best to try to keep up with whatever y'all are doing. So a special thanks to all of you guys out there that have taken the time to watch me, and we learn from each other, right? So let's keep that going, and let's stay safe above all else. We got to stay safe. So until next time, guys, this is Brey's Ways. Bye-bye.